guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really sad video. So if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment down below if you have any questions. This video gonna be really short. I'm sorry guys, I have my wire on if you guys see me talking a little bit weird. So this video gonna be really short. I just wanted to keep you guys updated why I haven't uploaded the past few days. I've been dealing with so many things that's happening right now, but the main issue is like my Amazon account was deactivated. I believe it's an error on Amazon account, because if you guys selling on Amazon, you know guys, in order for your account to be deactivated, you have to violate the policy, or your account health it's not good. So my account health is really good. My account health is been at 250, which is like really good. I don't have any issue. I don't know what's the reason, and when I contacted them, they told me it's regarding drop shipping. So basically it's like I violated your policy regarding drop shipping, and it's not like they completely deactivated. It's like it's a suspicion. Basically I need to appear to Amazon telling them what I'm gonna do, so for this error not to happen anymore. So that's what I'm dealing with. I need to get in touch with you guys on how you guys doing with your Amazon account, if everything is good. If you guys have any questions, I'll be more than happy to help you guys. And just in case if any of you guys have your account deactivated, be sure to comment down below and tell me how long it takes for you to get your account back. I'm keeping all my money basically if a customer return stole item and whatever, but I can still have access to my account. I can still see inventory. It's just like the product or not live, so customer are not able to see the item to buy it. And I felt a little bit weird, a little bit sad. It's because I bought a bunch of inventory from Alibaba and they just got home. So I'm gonna show you guys the boxes. So the boxes just got home, so and I have a lot to come. Imagine if my account is completely deactivated, I don't know what I will do. But at the same time, I'm kind of happy this happened, because this teach me a lesson not to put all your eggs in one basket. I started creating my Shopify account, so that's, even though I'm still gonna sell on Amazon if my account reinstated or whatever, or I can still create a new one, but I still have my Shopify account I'm working on, because I don't want to put all my eggs in one basket. So that's why I always tell you guys to, even though you have Amazon, always looking for another side hustle, always doing something else, so the income keep coming. So I'm worried, I'm sad, because most of my income comes from Amazon, but it's not like it's a life threatening. So I'm just sad because I have so many inventory. So that's it. I wanted to keep you guys updated. If you guys have any question, please make sure to comment down below. And I still doing my one-on-one course if you want to open your Amazon account, and I can also teach you guys what I learned regarding if your account is deactivated and whatever. I'm still waiting on them to get back to me. If you want to create your Amazon account, you don't know how to do it, and you don't know what product to sell, be sure to schedule a one-on-one course with me. It's only $100 for an hour. So I'm coming with a link very soon for you guys to see how to pay, how to schedule a one-on-one course with me, and also how to what product you need if you start selling on Amazon. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll try to do a live this week answering questions. I want you guys to tell me what's the best time to do it. So I think 6 or 7 p.m. will be a great time. Let me know which time is the best. So I'll see you guys back this week and keep you guys updated regarding my account. So peace.